At Hi-FiD, we take pride in offering a seamless customization process for white noise machines, led by our experienced designers and engineers. It all begins with our professional design team, who meticulously craft the product ID, including detailed specifications, unique features, and visual concepts. Based on the design, our skilled engineers develop a prototype, focusing on the internal structure, electronic circuits, and rigorous audio and software testing. Once the prototype is complete, we invite customers to test and evaluate it, ensuring that every detail meets their expectations. After receiving customer approval, we proceed with mold tooling, thoroughly testing and refining the mold to produce a sample for final confirmation. Once the mold is approved, our team begins the production process, maintaining the highest quality standards at every step to deliver outstanding results. With 15 years of R&D experience, Hi-FiD is your trusted partner in creating tailor-made white noise machines. Contact us today to bring your ideas to life.